Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Della Sylvia. I will read the journal title. Factors affecting economic performance through participation of zakat recipient in developing business. Abstract. Community empowerment is a form of development which directly involves the community. In community empowerment program, the position of the community is a program consumer but as program producer instead. Community empowerment aims to achieve community independence and welfare. Zakat is a subsystem which can support community empowerment program. It's consistent with the objective of zakat, which is material and spiritual well-being. To encourage the success of the program, there should be support from various parties, including companion and social capital support. The purpose of the present study was determining the direct effect of companion and social capital on participants of zakat recipient and its impact of economic performance of zakat receiving micro businessman. The present study used primary data by involving 72 zakat receiving micro business people, mustahik business people, in Wonosari Sub-District, Gunung Kidul, Regency Special Region of Yogyakarta. The research instrument was questionnaire with like 5 scale which has high reliability and validity based on Cronbach alpha and Kaiser-Meyer-Olkin values. The empirical model was analyzed using structural equation modeling. The result of hypothesis tests show that convenience and social capital affected the participation of zakat recipient, and the participation of zakat recipient affected the economic performance of zakat receiving micro businessmen. Keyword economic performance, participation of zakat recipient, role of companionship, social capital zakat. Introduction. Gunung Kidul Regency is one of the regions in the special region of Yogyakarta, which has the biggest area. One of the issues in Gunung Kidul Regency is poverty. Poverty is a complex and multidimensional issue, so that is a development priority. Karen Development Program also give a lot of attention to poverty alleviation effort. In reference to the statistical data of Gunung Kidul Regency in 2019, the Gini ratio of Gunung Kidul Regency is 0.0 337, lower than 2017, which was 0.340. The Gini ratio value shows moderate inequality. In 2017 to 2018 periods, the poverty line in Gunung Kidul Regency rose from 261 to 208,748 per capita per month, or 4.14%. The increasing poverty line trend illustrates increasing prices of commodities is in a region. The number of the poor in Gunung Kidul Regency in 2017 was 135.74 thousand people, 18.65%. The number of poor people declined in 2018 to 125.76 thousand people, 17.12%. The poverty gap index of Gunung Kidul Regency in 2018 is 3.84, which increased from 2017, which was 3.36. The condition show that the average gap between the extent of the poor and the poverty line becomes further. The poverty severity index of Gunung Kidul Regency increased to 1.16 in 2018 from 0.79 in the previous year. It showed that inequality among the poor rises again. Education level affects the poverty level of a region. People with higher education usually have lower chance to be poor. BPS 2019. According to the World Bank 2007, poverty is closely related with inadequate education. Next. Literature review. Mustahik empowerment is community empowerment through the utilization of zakat by providing funding and assistance, as well as involving the active participation of empowered communities. Zakat is not only distributed for consumptive purpose, but can be distributed for productive purpose aimed at the survival of Mustahik Hamzah 2017. assistance and religiosity have a significant effect on the participation of zakat recipients in business development in a positive direction. And the participation will subsequently have a significant and positive effect on the performance of economies. The direct effect of religiosity and accompaniment on economic performance is lower than the indirect effect on economic performance through participation. Assistant Hamzah aims to change behavior according to the desired plan. Next, research method. The present study was performed in Wonosari Subdistrict, Gunung Kidul Regency, with 72 zakat receiving micro business people with final education of elementary school SD. Validity test was performed using Kaiser-Meyer-Olkin and reliability test of the research instrument used Cronbach research hypothesis test used structural equation modeling analysis with two exogenous variables, which were companion and social capital, one mediating variable which was community participation mustahik in business development and economic performance as an endogenous variable. Next, result and discussion. Reliability and validity. The research instrument had high reliability and validity as shown by Cronbach alpha value above 0.75 and KMO value above 0.65. Community participation is one of the bases in community empowerment. The research results show that community participation affected economic performance of the program participants. The result supported the research result of Hamzah 2017 that community empowerment affect the independence of community. Furthermore, Failis, Borhan, and Asar in their study showed that community empowerment affect individual welfare and public welfare. Next, conclusion and suggestion. The community participant of zakat recipient mustahik business people for business development as basis in community empowerment is the main finding of the present study. Community participation will increase along with social capital and role of companionship, which then impact the economic performance of the zakat recipient. The varying business of the zakat recipient become a challenge for Basnas as the manager in the companionship process, so that community participation could improve. The institution should also encourage the client to get special knowledge or business skill to improve the business sustainability and reduce their vulnerability. Alam Hassan and Said. In conclusion, tax is used to improve welfare and alleviate poverty through zakat distribution as one of the mechanism of income distribution from the rich the people with financial difficulties. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.